In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your Replit app locally. Full step-by-step build and debug guide. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. On the main screen, you'll see a prompt area where you can describe what you want to build. Type a short, clear idea for your app. This helps Replit suggest a starter that fits your goal and saves you setup time. When the suggestion appears, select the highlighted option to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with template categories. If you're building a mobile app, pick that to get mobile-ready scaffolding. For analytics or dashboards, choose Data App. If you're exploring graphics, select 3D Game. For workflow helpers and bots, go with agents and automations. And if you want a flexible starting point, choose General. Picking the right category gives you sensible defaults, dependencies, and a structure that speeds up development. Give your project a clear name so you can recognize it later. Then click Start. Replit will create your workspace and lay out files, a terminal, and helpful panels. Once the editor opens, use the built-in agent chat to debug as you work. Open the chat panel from the sidebar and describe what you're trying to do or paste an error message. The agent can point you to the exact file, suggest code changes, or explain build failures. Be specific in your question for the best results. When you're ready to check your setup, click Build. This step installs dependencies and compiles or bundles your project as needed. Watch the logs for warnings and errors. If something fails, copy the message into the agent chat and ask for a fix or an explanation. It's often faster to iterate on small changes, rebuild, and verify the result. Use the guidance panes to keep your work organized. In the Ask Questions, plan your work section. Outline the features you'll implement next and any libraries you need. Then move over to Make, Test, Iterate to try changes, Verify behavior, and Refine. A tight loop here reduces surprises when you publish. When your app is stable and you're ready to share it, click Publish. Fill in a concise title and description that explain what your app does. In the Publish flow, choose a custom domain to make your app easy to access. Click the search field for a domain, enter your preferred name, and check availability. Select the option that fits, confirm your choice, and review the summary. Finally, click Publish again to deploy. Replit will package and host your app, giving you a live URL. If you discover an issue, return to the editor, use chat to debug, click Build to verify fixes, and republish. That's the complete loop for building, debugging, and publishing your